Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a network location in Windows 11. This feature is incredibly useful when you need quick access to shared folders, network drives, or cloud storage directly from your File Explorer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. You'll want to ensure everything has finished starting up before proceeding with these steps. Once your PC is ready, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. You can do this by clicking on the File Explorer icon in your taskbar, or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. When the This PC window opens, you'll see all your drives and connected storage devices displayed. Now, right-click directly on the This PC icon located in the left sidebar. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Add a network location. This option allows you to create shortcuts to network resources that you frequently access, making them easily available right from your File Explorer. After clicking, the Add Network Location wizard window will appear on your screen. Take a moment to read through the brief instructions provided, as they give you an overview of what you're about to set up. Once you've reviewed the information, click the Next button to proceed to the next stage of the setup process. You'll now see a screen asking you to choose a network location. From the available options, select Choose a Custom Network Location by clicking on it. This option gives you the flexibility to manually enter the network address you want to connect to, rather than being limited to predefined locations. After selecting this option, click Next again to continue. Now comes the important part where you'll specify exactly where you want to connect. In the Internet or Network Address field, enter the network address of the location you wish to add. This could be an IP address, a UNC path, or even a web address depending on what type of network resource you're connecting to. Make sure you enter this information carefully and accurately, as any mistakes here could prevent the connection from working properly. Once you've entered the address, click Next. At this point, Windows 11 will begin verifying the information you've provided. You'll need to wait a few moments while the system checks the network address and attempts to establish a connection. This verification process ensures that the network location is accessible and that your credentials are correct. Once the verification is complete, your network location will be successfully activated and added to your File Explorer. You'll now be able to access this network resource quickly and easily whenever you need it, just like any other drive on your computer. And that's it! You've successfully added a network location in Windows 11, making it much more convenient to access shared resources and network drives. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.